A warm good morning to each one of you present here. It's a happy moment, a proud moment for me as principal of India International School to be present before you today for the annual teacher ceremony. On behalf of India International School family, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Dr. V. Binumon, Principal of Indian Community School. Dr. V. Binumon, Principal and Senior Administrator of the Indian Community School, Kuwait, is a multifaceted personality with vast expertise in multifarious fields and has a multitude of experience. He has attained several degrees to his credit: MSc Zoology, MPhil Zoology and MPhil in Education, M.Ed Natural Science, MSc Psychology, MA Political Science, MBA HR, PG Diploma in School Leadership and Management Diploma in Yoga, and to crown it all, PhD in Education. He has also undergone certificate courses in diverse areas such as neuro-linguistic programming, hypnotherapy, counseling ISO 9001 to 2015, led auditor course by Moody International London, accreditation accessor program by Quality Council of India, and diploma in yoga as well. He has conducted numerous training programs for the youth students, teachers and parents. Dr. V. Binumon, presently serving as the chairman of CBSE Gulf Sahodaya, comprising 200 schools under its umbrella, has also served as the secretary of CBSE Gulf Sahodaya. As the city coordinator for CBSE, he extends unwavering support in managing and coordinating the activities of 21 schools in Kuwait with CBSE. He is also the country coordinator for CBSE training. With 15 years of experience in student counseling, he is actively involved in pre and post CBSE examination counseling. He is the center superintendent for NIOS examination. He has assumed the coveted office of CBSE Kuwait chapter convener 6 times. He has also shouldered colossal responsibilities like CBSE registered counselor, principal examination of school accreditation, National Open Schools coordinator for Kuwait, and center superintendent of CBSE exams. He has also serves the designation of ISO auditor 2001 to 2015. Dr. V. Binumon was felicitated by the President's National Teacher Award for 2016 under the CBSE Principal category from the Honorable Vice President Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu to give public recognition for his meritorious achievements. He is greatly appreciated for his notable stewardship of the Indian Community School Kuwait, having a strength of around 12,000 students. His contributions to elevate the school in curricular and co-curricular domains during his principalship are praiseworthy. Under his active, energetic and inspiring leadership, the school is making rapid progress in all spheres. The school has created innumerable benchmarks in every arena under his able stewardship. He is lauded for his consistently organizing programs, projects and schemes that nurture learners to give them wings to soar while keeping their feet firmly rooted in the country's rich and varied heritage. He is admired for being conspicuously successful in creating a powerful influence for development and progress. He is also applauded for his innovative improvements and progressive upgradation. Dr. B. Vinumore is now viewed as a trendsetter in the field of education. Welcome you, sir. Leaders over here who are going to take up responsibility, as you take on the important responsibility of leading your peers, I want to commend you for your dedication, courage and willingness to serve. Leadership is not just holding a title, it's about making a positive impact, inspiring others and upholding the values of integrity, empathy and resilience. Remember, true leadership is rooted in dedication and service. Listen to those around you, lead by example, and never underestimate the power of kindness and collaboration. Challenges will arise, but they are opportunities for growth. Embrace them with confidence and creativity. Your school believes in you, and so do I. The future is shaped by leaders like you who dare to dream big, act with purpose, and lift others along the way. Keep striving, keep learning, and continue to make us proud. Wish you all the best and God bless. Thank you.